Guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to send your Ethereum from your Luno application or website to your Trust Wallet app step by step. First of all, we're going to be opening up Luno, and we do this by simply opening the app up, heading over to the wallet section. You'd be first brought to home, then you head over to wallets, then you scroll down to your investments and click on Ethereum. And then you click on send. All of this comes after you've activated your Luno account. You've passed the two-step verification and all sorts of shenanigans. So now they ask, who would you like to send to? This is where you minimize and head to your Trust Wallet and input your passcode. That's you're inputting your passcode to be able to gain access to the application itself. Once that's done, you scroll down. We are not looking for Ethereum on the BEP20 network. No, we are looking for Ethereum, like the main Ethereum on its own network, which we scroll down to the coin, click on receive, copy the wallet address, minimize, head over to Luno, paste this address. As you can see, next, you enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send, call it 0.5. You can add a note if you want, and then you click on next again, and it shows insufficient balance. This is due to the fact that I don't have enough Ethereum. But once you click on next, you simply head back to your Trust Wallet and you reload till you receive the Ethereum in your wallet. All right, guys, comment down below if you have any questions on how to withdraw Ethereum from Luno to your Trust Wallet application, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.